Alright, this one's pretty simple. They want you to make the day into night. So, to do this, you see right here where it says the function is draw night. We've got our draw day function here, so we're just going to basically rip off the code. So I'm going to go show text. And I'm just going to copy all the code that's in between these two brackets, this one right here and this one right here, right? So this is all the code in these two brackets. I'm just going to copy, Control C, or right click copy, it doesn't matter either way. And then I'm just going to paste it in here. Right, so now I have the exact same code. I'm going to show the blocks again. Right, the day and the night is the same code. Now right here where it says sky, the background is RGB. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. So these three colors combined make this light blue. So 0 is the amount of red there is in there. 200 is the amount of green that's in there. 255 is the blue. So we're just going to make it darker. So we just want to add more blue. Let's see how that works. Try that. Alright, not great. Let's get rid of some green. Better. Alright, moon. It's called sun here. So we're going to make that darker. There's no blue in there, right? Because RGB. So let's pump that up to 300. Check it out. Nice. Let's get rid of some of the green, the red. And let's see what we got. Oh, we need some of that in there, obviously. 30. There it is. Let's go 50. That's cool, right? So, good deal. Okay, this one, they want you to have the coin fall down, right? And you can see the functions here, set coin, and this is the instructions for the function. There's nothing in there, so we need to drop it. And you know how to do that, right? Variable, and then coin, it's going down, so that's the Y. Remember, X is this way, Y is this way. So we're going to get the velocity, call it coin, set velocity, our velocity coin Y is, I don't know, 2. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, it's falling now. Nice. Cool. Good. Done. Like it. Love it. Alright, now on this one, they want you to have the coin drop, and then when it touches the rabbit, it counts the scores, and it drops at different speeds. So to do this, we need that is touching function, right? So if the bunny's touching the coin. So let's go ahead and do that. First, Control, and we'll drop this in here. So we're saying if the bunny is touching the coin, then the score is going to be the score plus 1. So what's going to happen is every single time the coin touches the rabbit, the score is going to bump up plus 1. So if the score is 1 and it touches it, it's going to go 1 plus 1. If the score is 5, it's going to go 5 plus 1, so it'll go to 6. And we need to set the coin, right? Because as of right now, it's just touching and it's gathering crazy points because it's still going through and counting points. So now we need to reset the coin so it starts back up at the top. To do this, we must set the coin. Right? So if the bunny is touching the coin, it's going to add a point and then it's going to set the coin. Set coin, right? So now we need to set where the coin is going to be, and that's here, right? Because this is the function. So we're going to set the coin. It's already originally set at 210. So X is the first, Y is the second. So we got to add the properties of the sprite. X and Y. Coin. Again, it was 210. So 210. And then we want the speed to be random. So we go back to the math for the randomness. And that looks pretty cool. Random number 1 through 10. Alright, let's see. Cool. So it's going at different speeds. That's pretty cool. And I guess if we wanted to get crazy, we could set the coin at different speeds, maybe. This is not required, but why not just see what happens? Oh yeah, there we go. See, it's going all over the place. Cool. Do. Alright, they want you to have the background change when you hit 10 coins. So that's just an if then statement. If the score, we need the math. Okay, the score is higher than 10, right? So greater than 10. Then we'll change the background to green. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. Cool. It worked. I cannot believe it. Excellent. All right. Done deal. Do.